welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is an LED makeup mirror. Let's go ahead and get right into this. It says modifying touch control LED makeup light. So it looks like it comes with a USB charger for it. And this is what the makeup mirror itself looks like. It does have a user manual. So this is what it looks like, and then you're going to open it up from right here. And then this is what it looks like. Now the awesome thing about this is it has a 3x and a 5x mirror, which is really good for like just seeing really close up. You can see right there and right there. And then it does have the labels right there, and then you can either flip it, so you can do it this way or this way, so you just flip it around depending on which side you want to use. Your light's right there, and you can change the tone depending on what you want. So just like that, and you can see, okay, so that's with the light on, that's with it off. Like you can tell it's really bright. Very nice, and it is collapsible and stuff, so you could take this like if you're traveling. I mean, that goes down to nothing, and as you can see, you just unfold it and you're good to go. So you'll actually charge the mirror right here. You can see right there. If you keep your finger on the power switch, you can actually adjust the brightness. So as you can see, it's dimming, or you can brighten it by doing that. So super easy to use, very nice. You can also tap it just once to turn it off, and then you're good to go. I'll definitely be keeping this and taking it with me when I do travel, because I love how small and it is, and I love the fact that it does have the 5x makeup mirror, because like when I'm applying my lashes, sometimes it's a little hard to do it with a regular mirror, and when you have something like this, it just makes it so much easier. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.